Are you struggling to turn website visitors into paying customers? The secret to unlocking your website's full potential might be simpler than you think. It all starts with understanding your target audience. In today's video, I'm going to show you why getting to know your audience is the most crucial step before designing your website, and how this knowledge can skyrocket your conversions. Every successful website begins with a deep understanding of its target audience. Think of your website as a conversation. If you don't know who you're talking to, how can you effectively communicate your message? Knowing your audience means you can tailor every aspect of your site to meet their specific needs, preferences, and pain points. But who exactly is your target audience? They're the people who are most likely to need and benefit from your services. To identify them, start by looking at your existing customers. What are their demographics? What are their goals and challenges? Use tools like surveys, social media insights, and analytics to gather data. The more detailed your understanding, the better. Once you have a clear picture of your audience, this knowledge should guide every design decision you make. From the layout and color scheme to the tone of your copy and the images you choose, everything should resonate with your target audience. If your audience is primarily professionals, your design might focus on clean lines and a sophisticated color palette. If you're targeting younger consumers, you might opt for a more vibrant and dynamic design. When your website is designed with your audience in mind, it becomes more than just a digital brochure. It's a powerful tool for building relationships and driving conversions. Visitors feel understood and valued, which builds trust and encourages them to take the next step, whether that's making a purchase, booking a consultation, or contacting you for more information. When your website speaks directly to your audience's needs and desires, it creates a connection that goes beyond mere transactions. This connection is what turns casual visitors into loyal customers. So, before you start designing your website, take a step back and ask yourself, do I really know my audience? The better you understand your target audience, the more effective your website will be. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more web design insights, and visit our website at captivateddesigns.com. Let's design something that truly speaks to your audience. Understanding your target audience is not just a step in the process, it's the foundation of a high-converting website.